Hello everyone, my name is Ian Lamont. I'm the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including LinkedIn in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. Today I'll be talking about using LinkedIn to post news articles and to review news articles. And this is commonly seen when you are on the LinkedIn homepage. Go to linkedin.com and select home, but this should appear by default. And you'll see that there's a whole bunch of articles that people are sharing. These are people in my network. They're sharing these articles about different things. And sometimes there might be advertisements in here too. And you may be wondering, well, how do I get this article to show up on my LinkedIn feed? And how do I get the picture to show up too? Like there's an icon, and this one, there's a picture of the article itself. This one has another picture of using it. This has some stock photography. You may be thinking, well, how does that get in there? How do I do that? And actually, it's pretty easy how it works. So when you come to this particular page, this is your LinkedIn home view, your home feed. You'll see your profile on the left, and you'll see the feed, the stuff that other people are posting, as well as ads. You can click new post, that might update that. Okay. And then above that, you'll see share an article, photo, video, or idea. So one thing you can do is just post an idea. You can just start typing, what does everyone, think about Elon Musk's management style? Okay, so I could just post that. It suggests that you tag it as well, and I'll hit post. Okay, that will show up as a text post, and then they'll be able to comment on it by just clicking the comment link. But one thing that I've noticed about the LinkedIn home feed is that it really favors articles with pictures. And when you're scrolling through your LinkedIn home feed, you're not going to see these. You're not going to see these just a text question or text comment as much as you will see some gigantic image or a meme or a short clip of something that shows up alongside it. So my contact Lucinio, he's posted this, and it actually includes an image that's been pasted into it. So I'm going to show you how to do that too. So I just typed, this one is the one that I just typed out. You can also add a link. And all you need to do is basically find an article. So here's an article on the IAB. This is the Advertising Bureau, Interactive Advertising Bureau, and they have this article that I thought was pretty interesting about augmented reality and virtual reality are changing the media landscape. So all I need to do to post that to my LinkedIn feed is to copy the link, go up to the address bar, click on it, that selects it, and then you would go to Edit, Copy, or you could do Control-C on a Windows machine or Command-C on a Mac, and then flip back to your LinkedIn page and just paste it in. And isn't that cool? I just pasted the link here, and it actually automatically added the image that was on the original article, as well as the title. That's really useful. Once that happens, then you can actually delete the text you just pasted, which is the link, and you can say, add some text of your own. I think this article is worth considering, but I don't know if VR and AR are ready for prime time. This is actually something that I think it's an interesting trend, but I have some questions about it. So I'm going to post that. Oh, by the way, post settings, you can do things like change how it's viewed. So right now it's set for public. Anybody on or off LinkedIn will see this. That means even if someone's not logged into LinkedIn, they can still read this post. I can also add it to my Twitter. I've associated my Twitter account with my LinkedIn account. So if I set it to this, it will be distributed on Twitter at the same time that I post it. It's just showing to my connections on LinkedIn. And then also I can restrict whether or not people can comment on it too. So that's something to know. But I think I'm ready to go, and I can hit post. All right, so it just showed up in the feed, and this will show up in the feed of many of my connections. Not everybody, because not everybody checks LinkedIn every day, but people who happen to be checking in today. And I have, I think, something like 600 or 700 connections. A small number of those will see this link, this image, and the text I've written, and maybe they'll want to comment on it. For more information on how to get the most out of LinkedIn, check out our book, LinkedIn in 30 Minutes, second edition by Angela Rose, available on in30minutes.com. And thank you so much for watching.